Hello crypto world. I will show you a real example how to use blockchain technology, for example Neblio, which is very well prepared for this example. And the real case will be about how to use the blockchain to sell your personal skills or know-how all around the world within the while. Only thing what you need is access to internet. So I hope very soon everybody on the planet Earth and maybe in solar system will have access to internet and would be possible to connect to each other. For this case, you don't need to be programmer, you don't need to understand the blockchain technology as itself. You need just some common skills on the internet. I hope everyone will know it or already know it, or have somebody around him who will help him to set up everything. Yeah. So let's start. For those who don't know Neblio, please check their website. I will post this in the into the comment of video. There is some description, so I will skip it. They also have the Orion wallet. It's very simple online wallet for Neblio and storing Neblio. So there is some also tutorials step by step. Just clicking next, finish. I think it's very simple. After you will set your Orion wallet, you can have some. You can send some Neblios. Yeah, you can buy it on Binance or other exchanges. I think it will be much more simple in the future, because we are talking with, for example, Simplecoin to list it and allow the exchange between the euros or Czech crowns or dollars, whatever. So if you want to sell your personal skills, you have to make some smart contract with somebody, yeah, and you will need to send some coins or some tokens, yeah. Not the Neblio, because you can split the Neblio to smaller pieces, which is called tokens. Doesn't matter what does it mean, but it's some small coins under the Neblio, and you can create your own. It will cost you the 10 Neblios. Yeah, you can see you don't have any tokens yet. So click here to issue the first one. Add icon. Okay, so let's find some icon. Wow, I created the icon FTT because it will be FTT token. It's not a Fourier transform. It's a physic-tom. See, I would change my hand because I'm left-handed. Okay, quantity, for example. Oh, sorry. It will be fun. It's a palindrome. Yeah, so I will choose some quantity of my tokens. The 10 Neblios will be, or Nebles will be split into this quantity of FTT tokens, which I can then send one per one or per 10 or 100, whatever. I will select some name, for example, physic-tom. Okay, so I'll call it physic-tom token, some quantity, I'm issuer, token symbol. I will add also some metadata to token, to this, to creating these tokens. I will call it purpose, because everything must have some purpose. Yeah. Don't create some token just for the fun. Yeah, there is lots of things for fun. This is serious, yeah, because this absorbs the energy from our planet and from our system, so it's not a fun. And value, I'll call it per. So now how not this know how token. Okay, so just simple metadata. Purpose of this token is a personal know-how token of PhysicTom. Missing that. Yeah, okay. So personal know-how token, PhysicTom. Purpose, token name, PhysicTom token, quantity. Think about the quantity, yeah, because these tokens is all you have. So you have to carry about it your tokens. You can create more tokens, but if you will have a lot of them, it does not have so huge value, because everyone will see on the blockchain that you have lots of tokens. So you don't probably care about some 10 or 100 tokens. So if you will limit the supply or burn the part of the supply, it will increase the value, not only for other people, but also for you. Yeah, so care about it. Issuer PhysicTom, FTT. Cool. The price is now 10 Neblios. If the price of the Neblio will rise up, we will probably do with developers some decrease of these costs. I expect everything is possible and everything can be upgraded because it's a software. So don't worry. Yeah, we will find a way how to keep the price of creation the token low to everybody can use it. Yeah, so don't worry. That's why we are the developers. Okay, so I will issue. Okay, confirm. Cool. Can issue it. Okay, so I have my own tokens and I can transfer it. It has IDs, so everyone can see it, and I can choose the number or ID of address of wallet and send some amount of the tokens to it. If I will decide to do that, because it's my personal tokens, I can't use it for anything. Okay? You can see that now I have just the 14 Neblios because 10 of them was used for creating these tokens. Neblio has also Explorer, where you can find the tokens which is created, and now you can see in the network that the PhysicTom token was created, the token ID, and you can see the supply, so everyone can check the supply. And you can check, there is the token, yeah, created. Okay, so I will copy this address because I will need it later, so I will show you. And now, what to do with that? Just imagine, I'm a programmer, but the same case you can use, for example, for teachers, for analysts, for example, the fisherman, which can share his knowledge, his long-term knowledge, to another fisherman all around the world. So it's not just about the programmers, it's not just about the people who work every day with the computer, because the people like me can help my neighbors, which is not so advanced in the computer, to do this. It's very simple. It's a 15 or 20 minutes of the help, so I think everyone can provide it to his friends or grandma or mother, whatever. So there is how to use it. Okay, I decided to show you an example of selling 1 hour of my time and of my knowledge in Industry 4.0, which is some kind of transformation of today's industry, to anybody who will need it and who will offer me some good price for my time. Yeah. and it will be secured by the tokens. That's why it's important. I have some history in my field. I'm trying to keep my network on the internet and describe what I'm doing on social networks like LinkedIn or Twitter and so on. But also I created very, very simple personal page. Yeah, I'm Thomas. I bought some domain, but you can place this page on some lots of free social networks, so you don't need to be programmer and create your own page. But you can, because it's very simple. For example, I used some Bootstrap Studio, but there is lots of tools where you just click some simple page. If you don't know how to use it, I created also some repository at my GitHub Physictome personal skill page. It's very simple HTML page, so you can download it and just change some images and text. Yeah, so it's very simple. Then you can place it on the internet, and anyone can see your what you do. Yeah. Probably most of you know some auction systems like eBay or Allegro and so on, or Amazon. I don't know Amazon too much, so I cannot compare it. So when I created this page, I decided to sell 1 hour of my time. I will use the eBay because it's a tool which will secure the whole contract and can manage the transaction of some money through the PayPal. If the PayPal will allow the cryptocurrencies or Visa will accept the cryptocurrencies, it will be much more easier than now, but still it's pretty easy now. Okay, so I created some listing of item, which is the item is 10 of my FTD tokens. Yeah. It is equal, for me, the 10 of these tokens is equal 1 hour of my time. So anyone can buy these 10 FTD tokens and I have to send them. Yeah. This is not selling of the service at itself, is selling of the tokens. Yeah. So it's like a thing. Yeah. But I have to send it because of the eBay rules and this contract on the eBay. I must send it because in other case you can apply the warranty and eBay will cover that. Yeah, and also the PayPal. So I think it's a trustful all around the world and widely used. Yeah, so most people all around the world can expose these kind of auction and try to sell their tokens if they will have a trust of anybody on internet who needs this, their tokens or their knowledge, which is covered over these tokens, with these tokens. And sorry, I didn't wrote some text, but so improvise. This